everyone, welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. Now, we're going to continue along the line of looking at reggae beat, but this time we want to include a different, style of syncopation. Sometimes when these DJs are on stage, you will hear them say, "Wheel and come again, selector." All right, we're going to be taking a look at that, and we're also going to be taking a look at some other jams or syncopation, that you can use in your own reggae style. All right, so sometimes the drummer is playing or the music begins. So that's what they normally do, when they are actually, in these big shows and stuff like that. So the guy will say, "Wheel and come again." Selected, the drummer go around the drum. Bam, 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 bam. And then he start over the song again. All right, and so it's another thing that you can actually use, in your drumming. And there's also another style, all right? So for example, you are playing same beat. When you're playing that beat now and you reach a certain part of the song, all right, they come into So we're going to combine everything and, and just wheel and come again selector, go back into the beat, and we're going to go into that jam or syncopation. So let's go. 1, 2. Right. Thank you again for joining. I want you to take your time, go over these beats over and over again, all right, so that you can actually master it. Okay, so I want to leave another beat inspiration with you. Normally we talk about inspiration, well, I call it beatspiration. All right, so take it out there, drummers. Just want to encourage you that as you continue on your journey, don't stop. Even when things become difficult, don't stop. You keep going. So drum your way to greatness. I want you to know that greatness is out there waiting for you. Every great drummer starts with a small step and countless hours of dedication. Please remember that. Great heights reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, they were toiling upwards through the night. They got to keep going, got to keep going, they got to be dedicated. Each practice session, each rhythm you master, each and every moment you spend with your sticks in hand, all right, will bring you closer to achieving your dreams. So keep practicing, keep pursuing, and greatness will find you. I guarantee you that. All right? I am a perfect example of that. I've traveled to over 20 countries of the earth playing drums, all right? But it all started with me practicing, all right, until I became better and better. Somebody saw me and decided they want me to become a part of their band. So, remember again, like, subscribe, share with other drummers, okay? And check the links in the description if there's anything that you actually need. Thank you so much for joining.